Ever scrolled through social media and stumbled upon a strange term that left you scratching your head? The internet is a vast landscape filled with unique lingo and abbreviations, and social media is no exception. Today, we're diving into one such term, lemonway. Chances are, you might have encountered it on platforms where creators or businesses sell products or services. But what exactly does it mean? Is it some secret code or a new social media trend? Buckle up, because we're about to unravel the mystery of lemonway. Beyond the fruit, unveiling the payment processor. Forget about sour citrus fruits for a moment. In the realm of social media and online transactions, lemonway isn't a type of food, it's a payment processor. Let's break that down. Imagine you're a small business owner selling handmade crafts on Instagram. A customer loves your work and wants to buy something. This is where a payment processor like lemonway comes in. The payment flow, how lemonway facilitates transactions. Here's how the magic happens. The buyer pays, your customer uses their debit card, credit card, or another payment method to purchase your product. Lemonway steps in. Lemonway acts as a secure intermediary, holding onto the payment temporarily. Order fulfillment. You, the seller, fulfill the order and ship the product to your happy customer. Funds released. Once you confirm the order is complete, lemonway releases the funds to your account, minus any processing fees. This secure system benefits both buyers and sellers. Buyers have peace of mind knowing their payment is held securely until they receive their purchase. Sellers get the assurance of payment before shipping their goods, reducing the risk of fraud. Where might you encounter lemonway? So, where are you most likely to see lemonway in action? Here are a few common scenarios. Marketplaces. Online marketplaces like Etsy or Shopify often integrate with payment processors like lemonway to handle transactions securely. Crowdfunding platforms. Platforms enabling crowdfunding campaigns might utilize lemonway to manage the flow of funds between backers and creators. Freelancing platforms. Freelance marketplaces where you offer your services might use lemonway to ensure secure payments between freelancers and clients. Beyond transactions, the added benefits of lemonway. While secure payment processing is lemonway's core function, it often offers additional features that benefit businesses. Fraud prevention. Lemonway implements fraud detection tools to minimize the risk of fraudulent transactions. Simplified management. Lemonway can provide sellers with tools to manage their finances, track transactions, and generate reports. International reach. Some payment processors, like lemonway, can facilitate international transactions, opening your business up to a wider audience. Is lemonway right for you? If you're a small business owner, freelancer, or creator looking for a secure and reliable way to handle online payments, then lemonway might be a good option to consider. However, it's always wise to compare different payment processors and their fees before making a decision. Important considerations: fees and regulations. Remember, payment processors like lemonway typically charge fees for their services. These fees can vary depending on the transaction amount, currency used, and the specific features you utilize. Additionally, lemonway might operate under specific regulations depending on your location. Be sure to research any relevant regulations to ensure compliance. The takeaway: lemonway, a secure partner in the online marketplace. By now, you should have a clear understanding of what lemonway means in the social media landscape. It's a payment processor that facilitates secure online transactions, offering peace of mind for both buyers and sellers. Whether you're a seasoned online entrepreneur or just starting, understanding payment processing options like lemonway can empower you to navigate the world of online commerce with confidence. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.